Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. So, please let me know am I clearly audible and the screen is visible in the chat box. And meanwhile, I'll open the YouTube on my end so that I can watch your all the comments. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah, everything sorted on my end. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes, guys, so that YouTube will send the notification to all our subscribers and followers so that they can also join the session and they'll also know about Cognizant Aptitude Assessment that is based on quant and game based aptitude section. So yesterday a lot of people asked about it, and so that we came here to do the session for you. So please share this live session to all your friends, guys. So let them know about the topics as well. And in some colleges, exam happened today. The Cognizant online assessment on aptitude, and some examination is going to happen from tomorrow onwards also. So that's why we are doing this live session for you. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please let us know in the comment section. Shall we start the session without any further delay? And you guys got the notification or not? Okay. So respond to the chat. How many of you completed your online assessment of aptitude? Okay. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. So people are waiting and let's start. So in this video, what I am going to do is we will talk about what are the quantitative aptitude topics are important and what are the different gamified questions they are asking in the Cognizant. And I will discuss few questions how to solve them as well. So without any further delay, just I would like to give you the overview. The registrations also again opened for on campus guys. So if your colleges have a partnership or collaboration with Cognizant, please check yours with your college. And again, on campus registrations are open till 26th of the November. So next for 5 days you can register. I am talking about 2026 batch students. If you are a 2025 batch students, off campus link we already shared yesterday. So off campus registrations are last date is 23rd. So please take care about on campus, off campus, both the things. This video is commonly for 2025 batch and 2026 batch students as well. And resume screening is completed for on campus. Off campus, it will start from after the registration. It will come by the end of the November, or the exam will start from December first week. So please, guys, those who are applying for off campus, start your preparation. You have only 10 days to left to start your examinations. So these 10 days are very crucial for you. So the first round is communication round, next is aptitude round, right? So we already made a video on communication assessment. So I am not talking about that. Now we are discussing on aptitude round. In the tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will talk about technical assessment. And in the technical assessment, we have a Java cluster and Python cluster and a C# cluster. We will do sessions on Python and Java. So for the next 2 days also, we are planning for Cognizant preparation series. So without any further delay, let's get started. If you don't want to miss these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. Now in the technical assessment, they have a two subsections. One section is quantitative aptitude. They will give you 30 questions and for 30 minutes. And gamified reasoning or game based aptitude is for 50 minutes. So they will give you 4 games and you need to reach to the top levels. So I will explain about this in the second half of the session, guys. So please be in the live session so you will get all the clarity about this game based aptitude. Why? Because it's a adaptive in the nature. I will talk about what is adaptive in the nature, how the levels will be increased, what is the best level to reach to be in the competition. I will talk about that. First, we will talk about generalized section that is called quantitative aptitude. In the quantitative aptitude, based on the paper patterns we have observed, we have seen the problems based on percentages more and profit and loss and time and work, time, speed, distance, permutation combinations. We have seen these type of topics very well. So immediately start doing this problem without any further delay. And we are giving all the off campus guys. Again, I'm telling you, there is a aggressive hiring is going to happen. Okay, the hiring, very high intense hiring will happen from the January and February. So these 2 months, all off campus drive, on campus drives will come one by one. After Cognizant, Capgemini will come. After Capgemini, Wipro, Infosys and TCS will come. So at any time anything will happen. So again I'm telling you, information is the first thing. Get it immediately by following us. So we will post all in our Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram channels. All the links are given in the description of the video. And let's start without any further delay. I don't want to waste your time. Let's start discussing about the problems, and in between I will talk about the remaining things if you have any doubts. So here is the first question. A man and woman and a girl can complete a task in 24 days, 48 days and 144 days respectively. So whenever you have time and work problems, guys, always you need to perform per day work so that you can complete the task easily. So woman per day work is 1 by 24. Sorry, man. And woman per day work will be reciprocal of the number of days, 1 by 48. And girl per day work is 1 by 144. So now what is the task? How many girls must be assist? 3 men and 4 women to complete a work in 4 days. Guys, if you want to complete a work in 4 days, per day how much work we need to do? 1 by 4th of the work we need to do, right? So here I am not explaining the entire concept of time and work, but I will give you a straightforward shortcuts. Even for this problem, whenever you see this type of problems, you can follow this approach. The work need to complete in 4 days. So per day work is 1 by 4. Now 3 men are working. One person per day work is 1 by 4 means 3 man per day work will be 3 by 24. So this is the work done by men. This is the total work per day. Next, 4 women. One woman can complete the task 1 by 48. So 4 women, 4 by 48 women per day. So total work per day is 1 by 4, and women are doing 4 by 48 and men are doing 3 by 24. So if I subtract these two numbers, then I will get girls per day, right? So this is how you need to think in your exam, and you need to create the equation like this. This is how the aptitude is so much easy when you improve your problem solving ability and thinking ability. I know per day total work, and I know how many men will complete per day, and women how much per day they will complete. If I subtract them, I will get girls work per day, right? Simple. So 1 by 4 minus 3 will cancel this 6 times, sorry 8 times, and 4 will cancel this 12 times. So 4, 8, 12 LCM is 24. 4 will cancel this 6 times, 8 will cancel this 3 times, 12 will cancel this 2 times. So which is nothing but 1 by 24. So girls per day completing 1 by 24. Guys, tell me, one girl will complete 1 by 144. Then how many girls needed to make 1 by 24? Which is nothing but I have to make denominator 144. If I multiply with 6 in the denominator, 6 in the numerator, it will become 6 by 144. So one girl per day work is 1 by 44. So we have a 6 girls. So that's why it came to 1 by 24. So the answer is 6 girls needed. This is the simplest way of doing the problem. If you take the screenshot and if you even search in the internet, if people follow the regular approaches, you will see half page, full page of explanation. So while you are doing the aptitude questions in any company, either TCS, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture, whatever it might be, problem solving is very important. So if you want to find the girls' work, you have to subtract the man's, women's work, and resultant you have to compare with one girl to how many girls. One girl is 1 by 144, then 6 girls will be 6 by 144. That is the left work. So 6 girls are needed. Very simple. Next, Harish, a bank officer, invests $7,600 per month. He spends 50% of it on the stock market and 40% of the remainder in cryptocurrency market. Out of the remaining amount, he invests in the mutual funds. Okay. What is the amount does he invest in mutual funds? Guys, first tell me, 7600, 50% means how much? Half of the 76, right? Which is nothing but 3800. He is invested on stock market. So remaining amount is 3800. In this, 40% is invested on cryptocurrency. So remaining means, remember guys, whatever the amount left, you need to calculate on that, not 7600. So 40% of remainder. And what is the remaining amount? If 40% is invested on cryptocurrency, 60% is the left, right? So this 60% is invested on mutual funds. This is what you need to find. Yeah, Tripura is asking what is the expected cutoff for gamified round. Guys, I talked to already a lot of students who has given the examination today. I talked to 2 to 3 people. They said maximum one person is very good at practice and all. So he said he attempted up to few sections 10 levels and few sections 9 levels. So if you are able to cross more than 9 to 12 levels, it's a good time, good zone. You can easily get selected for. Okay. So what is 60% of? 60% of 3800 is your answer. 60% means 60 into 3800. Zeros cancel. Guys, 10 will be there. 6 8s are 48. So unit digit is 8. So answer A completed. Or you can multiply 6 into 38. 6 8s are, sorry, 6 3s are 18. 6 8s are 48. So answer is 228. 10 will be there because it's 60. So you can do the calculations however you want. I don't want to make you guys to learn calculations here. It's a separate video we need to take. Next, look at the problem based on time, speed, distance as well. Time, speed, distance means not only time, speed, distance. They will ask you questions on trains, boats, and streams also. So here is the question. Depending on Jason rows a boat at 13 km per hour in still water. If the river is running at 3 km per hour and it takes him 1 hour 30 minutes to row to a place and come back, how do is the place from him? Okay, so we need to find the distance actually. So just look at the situation, guys. I am drawing it for you. The boat speed is 13 km per hour and water speed is 3 km per hour. If the boat is rowing opposite direction to the water, the speeds will be reduced, right? Which is nothing but u minus v. And the water's direction and the boat direction are same, then you have to do u plus v. So from A to B, boat is traveling in same direction means u plus v will happen. In the reverse direction, u minus v will happen. So you need to take overall time and you need to do the calculations. This is all the knowledge you need to have before. Actually, I have explained in a just 1 minute of time. But in order to learn this concept, you will take around 15 minutes of time. Okay. In our prime, we have explained this concept entirely 15 minutes so that you will never forget. So simply, how we can do this problem is nothing but the distance I am saying d. What is the distance speed relation? Distance divided by speed is equal to time. Right? So distance by, if boat and water are traveling in the same direction, u plus v, right? Which is nothing but 13 plus 3, 16. And the same distance we are coming back means water and boat will be in the opposite direction. So u minus v. So answer is 10 km per hour. So relative speeds we found. So the distance traveled in the first case, second case together. So distance by speed will give you the time, right? Which means the time is 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour means 3 by 2. This is how you need to create the equation after reading the question. Whatever I explained before 1 minute is the theory. Those who learned already, they can directly design this equation. So distance by speed plus distance by speed equal to the total time. This is the situation 1, this is the situation 2. So if you take the LCM, simply 160 and 26d is the numerator. Why? Because cross addition is equal to 3 by 2. So 2 will cancel this 13 times and 2 will cancel this 80 times. 2 will cancel this 40 times. 4 will go to other side. It will become 120 by 13. So d is equal to 120 by 13 kilometers. 13 is a prime number. We can't cancel further. Or if you get cancel, you will get a decimal values. That's it. So here they have given in terms of fraction. I found fraction only. Guys, how you have created this equation, sir? Very simple. I want to find the time. So, for example, water flow is here. Going to one particular point and coming back to the same point means, always remember, distance by speed plus distance by speed is equal to total time. This is a casual formula we will use. And also, guys, please comment when is your exam is scheduled. A lot of people are in the online. So I would like to ask you guys, when is your on-campus examination? Or when is your aptitudes assessment is scheduled? Next, the next question is, person reduce her or his consumption to keep his or her expenditure on vegetables unchanged. Remember, whenever they said expenditure is unchanged, I will give you one shortcut. Please note it down in your rough paper. See, for example, earlier cost is 100 rupees. 20% increase means 100 plus 25 rupees extra, which is nothing but 125 rupees is the present price. The next step you need to do is simply whatever the extra 25 is there, divide the 25 with the new price. So simply the formula is difference by new price is your answer. Difference is 25, new price is 125. So 5 will cancel this how many times? 5 times. 1 by 5 means 20%. So into 100% you need to do. So answer is B. If 25% rise is happened, you need to reduce your consumption by 20%. That's it. Very simple, guys. Again and again, I am telling you, please note it down all these shortcuts. These are very important. Next, in a class, 30% students passed economics, 40 students passed in accountants and accountancy, and 22% passed in both accounts and economics. How much percentage of the students failed in both the subjects? Guys, you can do this problem in two ways. One is simply Venn diagram, or P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. With this formula also you can do the problems. Okay. Now I will do with Venn diagram so that you guys know without using formula you can do. Just look at here. Both the exams passed means, for example, this is the economics, this is the accountancy. This is the section all people who passed both exams. So what I will do is, first I will keep the number which is common to both the sets. So 22%. See guys, this is the economics, right? Economics only 30% students passed. But already 22% is a common element. So rest of the 8% will pass in economics. And if you see the economics set, it is 30%, right? And when coming to the accountancy, it's need to be 40%. 22% is already here. So 18% is the only student passed in the accountants. So only pass is different. Passed in economics is different. For example, if they said only 20%, then here you need to place 20%. Why? Because it is not common with accountant. Only they passed economics. So only word is very important while doing these type of problems in a Cognizant examination. Next, how many students in percentage failed in the both the subjects? Guys, first you need to add all these things. 8% passed in only economics, 18% only passed in accountants, 22% passed in both. So if you add them, answer is 48%. 48% passed in any one of the examination or both. So failed in both the exams are nothing but 52%. This is how you need to do the problem. It's very simple. Or you can use the formula. The people who are failed in both the exams. Next, Rajesh and Prabhu went to a bookshop. Guys, don't worry. Just for next 5-10 minutes, I will explain the quant. Next, we will jump into the last half an hour about the game based. Okay, we have a lot of problems on game based as well. So let's complete these two problems on quant. Why? Because quant is also important equally with the game based. Don't neglect. Okay. Just look into the problem. Rajesh and Prabhu went to a bookshop. Rajesh purchased 5 pens, 3 notebooks, 9 pencils. Okay. I will write, guys, so that we can do quickly. 4 pens, 3 notebooks, 9 pencils. And used up all her money, his money, whatever it might be. Okay. So we don't know how much money spent. For example, I am saying A rupees. Prabhu purchased 6 pens. Okay, 6 pens. 6 notebooks. Okay, 6 notebooks. 18 pencils. 18 pencils. And paid 50% more than what Rajesh paid. So what is meant by 15%? 50%, which is nothing but, for example, A rupees paid here. Here they paid 1.5 times of A. Why? Because if 50% more means, if they first person paid 100 rupees, second person pay 50% of 100 rupees extra. So you have to add. It is simply like 1.5 times. If you carefully observe, we have a two equations. And for example, if I multiply the first equation 2 times, it will become 10 pencils. And here it will become 6 notebooks, 18 pencils, and the investment is 2A. So I have multiplied with the 2 on both sides. So if I subtract this, these two, and these two will get cancelled, and 0.5A will be left, which is equal to 4 pence. 4 pence is equal to 0.5 of A. So the question is, what percentage of Rajesh money was spent on pens? Guys, to purchase 4 pens, we have to invest. A is the total money with Rajesh, right? So 4 pens is 0.5A, then Rajesh is purchasing 5 pens, right? So 1 pen will be P is equal to 0.5A by 4. 5 pens will be into 5, which is nothing but 5A divided by 0.5 means 1 by 2. So 2 into 4 is 8. 5 by 8A. 5 by 8 means how much percentage? Guys, very simple. If you guys are good at percentages, I will tell you. 1 by 8 means 12.5. 5 times means 5 12s are 60. And 25 means 25. So 5 times 12.5 is nothing but 62.5. So answer is 62.5 simply. Okay. So sorry, it's my bad, guys. Yeah, 3 by 8 is nothing but 37.5. If I subtract 37.5, it is 62.5. Correct only. Why? Because 5 tens are 5 12s are 60. 5.5s are 2.5. Okay, answer is 62.5 is correct. I did a small mistake in the calculation. Now it's fine. Simply remember, 5 12s are 60 and 5.5s are 2.5. Yeah, Purushottam, definitely we will do technical round tomorrow. Guys, how many of you guys need technical cluster 1 and cluster 2? I would like to know about this. How many of you are preparing for cluster 1? How many of you preparing for cluster 2 on campus? Please comment in the live chat. Sorry guys, my eyes are little dry too much, so that's why I'm doing this multiple times. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, no one is preparing for cluster 1 and cluster 2. Okay, let's dive into the next question then. I don't talk much. A team of player has 11 members. The captain's age is 25 years and the goalkeeper of the team is 4 years elder than the captain. So 11 members are there and the average is don't know, so X years. And Captain is 25 years and goalkeeper is 4 years more means 29. And if you exclude the ages of goalkeeper and captain, so these two people, sorry, if the two people went out, 9 people remaining, the remaining team average age become 1 year less than compared to the average of the entire team. So earlier is x years, now the age is x minus 1. The average of the team is. Guys, I am giving you this as a assignment question. Okay, do it. Those who comment the answer after the live on this video, we will give the free access to Prepinsta Prime. And if this question I got in the examination, how I will do, I will tell you. 9 years minus. Each 1 year means 9 years minus. So I have to do minus 9. So the answer is 25. 29 minus 1 is 20. So answer is total 45. 45 divided by 2 is 22.5. So the answer is 22.5. I want you guys to do how you will do in the exam. Just copy paste entire data into the comment section. I am not explaining this question. I know how to do. But if I explain this, it will take like 15 minutes. So this is how our prime students will do in the exam. They will write one equation and they will simply subtract the value and they will do number by 2. Answer completed 22.5. If you want to do in a regular manner also, you can do and let me know the answer. So this is your assignment question. Directly I am giving. Comment your answer. And after this, I would like to share you guys gamified aptitude rounds. And already Tripura is given already the exam, right? So I would like to ask, have you seen these type of questions or not? So first question is nothing but based on numbers, which is nothing but they will give you the blanks and you need to fill the numbers in the blanks. So just look at here, guys. Here 8 star, some number is missing, number is missing, number is missing, star 7 is equal to 13. Or the other model question also can give in the different slots. They will give different questions, guys. They will give the numbers and you need to fill the symbols also sometimes. So vice versa, anything can be happened. You need to ready for the any game. So here I need to make them equal to 13, right? So the product term is this and the product term is this. First I need to manage them. See, 8 2s are 16. So most of the cases they have given 2, right? So I went with 2 only. Next, 16, and if I subtract 1 times 7, it will be 9, right? How much added to the 9 to become 13 plus 4? So I need to place 4 here. So the option 241 is the answer. Actually in your examination, they won't give you the options, guys. Just for your reference, I have given the option. But entirely this equation, you need to create. For example, think about BODMAS rule. Multiplications are first, right? So this multiplication will happen first, this multiplication happen first. So 2 times 16, 1 times 7. That's it. 16 minus 7 is 9. How much I need to add to get 13? 4. So like this, you have to think in your mind and you have to quickly enter the values. Next, see, multiplication happen first. Next, division happen will first. Last minus 8 will happen, right? So first I need to get 1. I want to make this as 1. So that's why 5 by 5 I did. Next, 5 by 5 minus 1 is, sorry, it's a plus 1. Minus 8 means minus 7. I have to get 1. So how much I need to create here? 8 I need to create. I can create by 4 into 2. So this term must be 8. So 4 into 2. Answer is 4 to 5. Completed. So it's completely, guys, games are too much easy. You don't have to worry or you don't have to struggle much. You need to follow some rules and do that. And this is the problem based on switch based. It is not complex. Again, I'm telling you. The problem is with the students or the people who are not attempting more questions is nothing but they don't know the logic. Guys, just simply look at here. How to do these problems are nothing but these symbols are in the positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they will go through these switches and according to the numbers position, they will change their position. For example, just how I will solve this problem, I will tell you. 6 place is changed or not changed? Tell me in the chat. 6 place is not changed, right? So 6 came in the last. So my answer is completed. Am I need to verify all the options? Tell me in the chat. Am I need to verify all the answers, all the symbols? No. You don't have to verify or you don't have to check for all the options or the all the switches. Just with the one symbol, you can easily get the answer. And those who are in the already completed the exam today, let us know. The game based aptitude is adaptive or not? Adaptive means, for example, level 1 is easy. Once you attempt more number of questions, the level, for example, if you reach level 10, it will become little bit difficult or not. Tell me in the chat. So whenever you attempt more number of levels, it will increase the difficulty level. So you need to practice a lot. And it is like a simply I will tell you how this will work as like Candy Crush. A lot of people will usually play this type of game at least once in their life. So in the beginning levels, you will feel like it is very easy. With a single attempt, you can complete the game. But once you cross 100 levels, 200 levels, 300 levels, the game will become more and more difficult. So that in a first attempt, you can't maybe attempt the correct approach. Second time, third time, you will do the solution or you will solve the puzzle, right? So similarly, this gamified aptitude is also adaptive, which is nothing but if you answer more, the difficulty level also increases more. So please practice accordingly, increase your speed. And in this slide only, I will tell you the cutoff for the games or the levels is a lot of students said they are reaching towards 8 to 12 levels on an average. So minimum in order to be in the race, at least 8 levels you need to cross. In order to get selected for sure, please reach at least level 12. Okay, this is what suggestion I can give. Why? Because the average number people said from a lot of students is 8 to 10, 8 to 11, like that they said. So 8 to 11 is the best cutoff for games. Yes, Suraj, don't worry, it will take some time. They will evaluate both communication round and game based round and aptitude round, and then they will give you the result for a technical interview. Sorry, technical round. So it will take some time. Just look at here. This is the problem, little bit difficult, but it is not that much difficult if you follow the proper approach. Guys, just look at here how I am solving the question. Plus symbol is 4, right? So after went through this switch, 4 will become 1. So only I am checking for plus symbol. Okay. I am focused on plus symbol. Plus symbol become 1 now. And if you observe from the last, from the bottom also we need to do for this type of puzzles. Okay. Plus symbol is in fourth place here. Am I right or not? So actually in the output fourth place means actually in the input it is third place. So third place in the input. See, input fourth place and output is first place. Similarly in the vice versa, output is fourth place, so input is third member. This is what you need to understand, guys. For example, see, I will tell you with a simple approach. 4231 means, for example, the fourth element now become the first element. Second element remains the second element. Third element remains the third element. First element went to the fourth place. So now it will become a fourth element. Like this, the switch will work. It will comes by practice. No one can teach you. Again, I am telling you. See, I will erase the screen. If I am attempting this question within the 10 seconds, how I will do this problem? See, 4 become 1. Why? Because 4 went to the first place. Next, in the vice versa, 4 actually it is created from 3. So 1 will become 3. How 1 will become 3? So 1 must come at third place. So where 1 is in the third place? 3, 2, 1, 4. So the answer is correct. The people follow this type of techniques only, they will score more number of questions. This no one will teach you. You need to adapt to these techniques on practice. So if you guys want to do a practice on these type of techniques, I'll suggest our Prepinsta Prime. In the Prepinsta Prime, you can go to the aptitude section, and a lot of people who are having Prepinsta Prime subscription also, they don't know about this. So just for them also, I would like to clear the doubt. We have everything in our Prime. Under the aptitude, you will see game based aptitude section. So click on the game based aptitude. If you click on the digit challenge, see, you have a digit challenge also for practice. Sorry. If you see switch challenge, see how red is at the same place, means 1 at the same place. 1 at the same place means 1, 2, 3. So answer 1, 2, 3 is completed. Correct answer. So it will comes by practice. If you want to get that practice, we have created the video lecture also how to do that. So you guys need to do all these problems, guys, so that you will never fumble in your examination, so that you can go to the more number of levels. Not only this, if you have a Prepinsta Prime access, in the prepinsta.com also, in Cognizant GenC, just give me a second, the page is loading. Yeah, in Cognizant GenC, you can see game based aptitude here. If you click on here, you can see the questions of previous years. See, scroll down a bit, you can see digit challenge. Under the digit challenge, you can see the questions also, and you can attempt them. It will all comes by practice. So that's why I'll always suggest people to purchase our Prepinsta Prime product for all your placement needs in a single platform. Not even Cognizant. It is a very good season for the placements of off campus and on campus. For the next 6 months, you need to be very good at your learning. So that's why I suggest our Prepinsta Prime. Even you will get popular skills like Gen AI, data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, and ethical hacking, cyber security, Power BI related, everything you will get. Or if you want to learn web development, which is a part of Cognizant GenC, you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all together. Or if you want to learn any programming language, you can learn from here. And if you want to learn DSA and competitive coding, intermediate coding, you can learn from popular coding section. And if you want to learn aptitude, you can learn entire thing. And if you want to prepare company specific, for example, you are only preparing for TCS, go to TCS dashboard. Like this, we have every company specific preparation. And also product based also we have. And if you want to know about interview experience of different companies, you can get the service based experience and product based companies, and resume preparation, and pseudocode automatics, and DBMS, computer networking, SQL, SDLC, and operating system, all computer science subjects, along with the projects. So all these 200 plus courses you will get for a single subscription, that is Prepenista Prime. And if you use my coupon code KTK Max, you will get a huge discount also. So everything we can't give it for free. So that's why to run our business, at least we are giving for affordable prices. All these courses, if you see outside, if you want to purchase, you need to invest a lot of thousands of and lakhs of amount. But if you want to prepare for your placements, if you use KTK Max coupon here, and if you apply this for 1 month, you will get, sorry, for 12 months, you will get for 3399 only, not even 300 rupees per month. And if you want to go for 24 months, you will get it for 4250 rupees only. So never miss this opportunity. Grab the opportunity and start your preparation for your all placement needs. Okay. So let's dive back to the question and answers. Next, you guys need to clear or solve this problem. Please mark the object that doesn't fit in the rule. So you have to go through them and you have to solve which cannot fit in this. So just look at here, guys. This arrow representing, for example, I am saying like 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Okay. So for solving easily, I will talk about clock pointing. Okay. So it is showing 3 o'clock and now it is showing 9 o'clock, which is nothing but 180 degrees shift. And if you see third one, it is nothing but showing 6 o'clock, which is nothing but 9 o'clock shifted to 6 o'clock means 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. So whether this logic is adapted to all the remaining figures or not, let's see. 180 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, again 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Carefully observe. It is showing 12 o'clock. Now it is shifted to 9 o'clock. So anti-clockwise, reverse direction to the clock. So this is also anti-clockwise. This is also anti-clockwise. Again 180 degrees shift. Again 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Yes. And again 180 degrees. And if you observe here, it is clockwise 90 degrees. Here it is showing 6 o'clock. Now it is showing 9 o'clock. 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, it is a clockwise direction. So for all the figures, it is correct. For the last figure, the direction is wrong. So simply the answer is option C. Next, the problem based on Geosudo code. Guys, to be honestly, I am saying within the seconds you need to solve these puzzles. So explanation also will be very short. Why? Because just you need to know about the pattern. That's it. Am I right or not? Let me know in the chat. Yeah. Some person have examination on November 24th. Okay. Yes, I Sudhir, I already told you what is the average level. 8 to 12 minimum. Next, Geosudo code, which is nothing but pseudocode means you guys know about it, right? Which is nothing but Sudoku is nothing but simply in the horizontal and vertical rows, the same number cannot be repeated. Geosudo is nothing but instead of numbers, geometric symbols will be given. That's it. So horizontal and vertical, same symbol cannot be repeated. Just look at here, guys. Here in the vertical and horizontal, plus symbol cannot come here. Why? Because if I place plus here, plus is already here in a vertical row. I can't repeat in the horizontal row. So there is a only place I can place plus symbol is here. So square is here, plus is here, circle is here, only triangle left. So triangle must come here. See, this horizontal line is completed. Based on this horizontal line, the vertical line also will complete. See, triangle already came, plus already came, circle already came. So here in the question mark, triangle cannot be placed, circle cannot be placed, plus symbol cannot be placed. So the only option I have left with is square. So answer is square. Not only this, I can do it in multiple ways. See, guys, circle is here. So circle cannot be our answer. Plus is here. Plus cannot be our answer. Next, B and C is there, right? Square. If I place square here, it does not conflict with anything. So B is my answer. Next, if you observe, can I place triangle here? No. Why? Because triangle need to come here so that plus can come here. So like this, vice versa, you can eliminate or you can place option wise or whatever you like. In any pattern, you can find the answer. Okay. So this is how we need to do the problem. And also another approach also there. For example, square cannot come here. Square cannot come here. So square cannot come here. So there is a only option that square will come here, this only. Why? Because this row square cannot come, this row cannot come. Why? Because this place occupied, this place occupied. This place cannot be the square. So the best place to place the square is this. So there is plenty of ways you can think and you can solve the problem. Next, whenever you solve Geosudo code step by step, they will increase the number of uh, rows and columns. But don't get confused. You can still do the problems in a very simple manner. Just look at here. I will focus on this horizontal row. Here square cannot come. Here square cannot come. Here also square cannot come. Here also square cannot come. So only place for the square is here. See how I am solving the problem. Why square is here? Why? Because in the vertical row square is already placed. Square cannot come here. In the vertical square is already here. So square cannot come here. Already these two places are occupied. So for the square we have only one place here. This is how quickly you need to think in the exam. Next, which symbols we left? Plus and triangle. Triangle is already here. So plus must be here. I can't place triangle here, right? So plus must be here. If plus is there, the triangle must be here. So answer is triangle. Plus is got cancelled. See, simply by eliminating the objects, I am getting the answer. This is how you need to think in the exam. Okay, square not come, square not come. Next, triangle plus. Triangle cannot come here. So triangle must be here. So answer is triangle. Like this, you need to think and you have to quickly answer the question in the examination. Okay, we are running out of time. Let me talk about remaining question quickly so that you guys can understand. So the next question is nothing but motion challenge, which is nothing but you have to move the objects. For example, see, I want to create a path for red ball to move towards the black ball. So what I have to do is I have to move this side, and I have to move this to this side, and I have to move this block to here so that I can create a path like this. So in the slides I can't explain you with animations, right? So that's why I'll open the Prepinster and I will show you guys how we have created this for you, and go to, for example, little bit back. So it is the motion challenge. So I will click on motion challenge questions, and I will go to the question which I attempted. So this is our question, right? So just I am zooming in it for you. So what we need to do, we have to move these blocks, right? So how we have to move is nothing but here is the explanation. So first, orange color bar is moved to the left hand side. Next, green is moved. Next, the blue color small is moved left hand side and moved to bottom. Now we have a clear path between them. So in how many moves it will move? Towards right, one move. Towards top, second move. Towards left, again right, one move. Again it will go to the black hole. So total 8 steps is the total task we have completed. Here you don't have to count how many um, moves you are doing. Okay, you have to quickly do that with less number of steps. Here what I am doing is I have given the less optimized solution for you. So within the 8 steps you can do this. Okay, so similarly one more puzzle I would like to show you. See here, for example, if you want to do, what we can do, we can move this to the bottom, and we can move this. See, I am showing you. Okay, you can move this one to bottom, you can move this blue color to the left hand side, and you can move this orange one to the top. 3 steps completed, and you have a clear path between them. See, it will come to here, it will come here, it will come bottom, it will come here, and it will join the black hole. So like this, how many steps you want to create, you can do that. And this is how, this is another solution they have given. I have given another solution. Here in the picture, it is another solution. It can be happen, no problem. But optimized solution you need to approach. So this is all about Cognizant Aptitude Assessment, which includes both quantitative aptitude and game-based aptitude. I hope everyone understood about this. And please use the coupon code KTKMax and get the Prepinsta Prime and immediately start your practice. For game-based aptitude, practice is very important. And some Varun is asking, numerical ability, verbal ability. Varun, based on these marks, if any TCS partnered companies would like to hire you, they will send you the direct mail. You won't get a direct hiring by TCS by writing TCS Ion. So I will make one video to make the students clear how the paid NQT will work, how the free NQT will work. I will make a one video on it, difference between paid NQT and free NQT, so that you guys will have a clear clarity about them. Okay. And to be honest, I am saying the people who scored more than 1200, 1300 also score in the TCS Ion, they will rarely get the interview call from the TCS partner companies. So at least you need to score minimum above 75% to 80%. And guys, start your preparation. Off campus season is about to start. Trust my words. Till January midweek, you have a preparation time. After that, a lot of off campus will start. You don't get a bandwidth for your preparation. So please have a vision on your placements. Start your preparation. On campus are happening in November, December, January means off campus will start in January ending, Feb, March, April, these 3 months. Continuously companies will come. You don't get a time to hire preparation. Just start your preparation now for all your off campuses. So for all the updates, follow our social media handles, and those who comment on the video about the question I have given as assignment with explanation, they will get a free access to our Prep Insta Prime. And those who want to purchase immediately, use the coupon code KTK Max. Grab the opportunity, get the maximum discount. And thank you so much. This is the end of the session. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be there for you for next 1 minute, or else we will complete our session. Sir, what about roadmap? Can you tell? Unknown, what is the roadmap you need? I didn't get you. And how many of you waiting for technical round live? Everyone click on the live button so that you will be with the live itself, so that I can talk to you guys easily. Yeah, we have created a lot of videos on it. Again, if you need, we will do that in the future. Varun's definitely it will start in a few days or weeks. So start your preparation. Don't wait for company to come. Once the company come, you don't have a time to prepare. Just be prepared before, and January, February, March is the best time for all off campus. So plan your preparation, guys. Thank you. All the best from our preparation side as well. See you guys in the tomorrow's live. Bye bye.